What's going on, guys? In this one we're going to go ahead and install the gas powered struts right here. This is for the trunk. As you know, the trunk for 20 something years has just had the old pair and it doesn't even support it. So we're going to take these out of the box or out of the plastic and then we're going to install them. So taking a look at the old trunk strut, you can see that this thing is just degraded. It's weathered, but super simple and easy to take off. You literally just take a flathead screwdriver and you can pop it off the top and then you can pop it off the bottom. Really easy. And here's a comparison of the old on the left hand side and the new on the right hand side. You can see the old and weathered one pretty banged up and also bent. This one looks like it's in good condition. Then to install the new one, super simple, just push in the bottom, it'll click in, and you do the same with the top, and you're all set. And then here's what it looks like, just doing a little test, and you can see that the rebound is actually nice and strong, and it actually holds this time, so job well done. That's gonna be it for this video, guys, just a nice, quick, easy project.